Hello my friends, welcome! On this video I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous centerpiece. The centerpiece can be the perfect addition to your home decor. You can display it as is or add your favorite flowers or candles. For ideas like this one and much more, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now let's get creating. For this centerpiece you're going to need two 7-inch cylinder vases, two candlestick holders, white acrylic paint, Mod Podge, black acrylic paint, triple thick clear glaze, and napkins. Please check the description box for a complete list of materials and links where you can find them. I'm going to start by painting my vase with the white acrylic paint. Now I'm going to paint my candlestick holder. Next, I'm going to let this dry, then give them 2 more coats of paint. Both my vase and the candle holder are completely dry. Let me show you what they look like. Now I'm going to paint my candlestick holder with the black acrylic paint. Now I will let it dry and then I will give it another coat. Now I'm going to take this napkin, I'm going to use the designs on them, and I already have a few cut out that I'm going to glue on my vase. Most napkins come with 2 to 3 layers, so make sure to separate the napkins and use the printed layer only. Next, I'm going to put a thin layer of Mod Podge where I want to glue my napkin. And very carefully, I will place my napkin where I want it on the vase. Then, I will add another thin layer of Mod Podge on top of the napkin and let it dry completely. I will continue this process until my vase is decorated the way I want it. Let me show you what it's looking so far. Now I will decorate the upper part of the vase the same way, and I will let it dry completely. Look how beautiful this is turning out. Now I'm going to give the entire vase another coat of Mod Podge. Then I will let it dry completely. Now that it's dry, it's looking really beautiful. The Mod Podge gives it a nice gloss. Now I'm going to take this triple thick glaze and I'm going to give my vase a thin coat. This will help give the vase a nice finish. Now I will do the same to this candlestick holder, and I will let the candlestick holder and my vase dry for a few hours. Now that they're dry, let me show you how beautiful they look. Now I'm going to glue the candlestick holder to the vase, and for this I am going to use my E6000 glue, and then I will let it dry overnight. Here is the finished product. These vases turned out absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with these. You can add your favorite flowers or put candles in them, or just display them as is because they will look amazing in your home. Alright my friends, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next week.